how to get 1099 from Amazon Flex. So for that purpose, you're going to head over to amazon.com to their Associate Central. And from here, I'm into the help section about commissions and payments. And from there, I'm into the tax FAQ. Now you have to keep in mind that the form of 1099 NEC is used to report non-employee compensation while you're filling and getting in your yearly taxes into the US. You have to make sure that by the end of the previous year, you're totally compensating for $600 or more, because if you're anywhere below $600, then you are not eligible to fill in your 1099 NEC form. But if you are, then what you'll have to do is you're going to head over to taxcentral.amazon.com. Then you're going to sign in using the email and password which is associated with your account. And then you're going to click on view/edit and then click find forms. Now from those, after you sign up, you're going to find the downloadable copies of the finding form of 1099 MISC form. You're going to fill that form up and then you're simply going to pay it directly from Amazon. So you can do that from Amazon X Flex, you can do that from Amazon Associates, any of that. The basic area and the basic way for you to head over to finding in that form is this way. Head over to the Amazon Affiliates program, then head over to the help section, then head over to about commissions and payments, and then head over to the tax FAQ. Now navigate from here to this website, which is taxcentral.amazon.com. Sign in using your credentials and then navigate and find those clickable forms which is associated with your account. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Be sure to leave down a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.